In the first program we wrote, Hello World, the keyword public appeared, which we have not discussed so far, so it's time to go back and explain it a bit more. Let's start with the fact that the programs we have written so far, even if they consisted of several classes, we always store them in one directory. However, in a situation where the number of classes in series projects can be several hundred, such a solution ceases to be effective, because navigating between so many files is simply inconvenient. In Java, class files can be placed in other directories that create packages. This is especially useful in a situation where we want to keep classes in one place, whose task is to store data, for example product or smartphone, in another place to perform operations on this data, like smartphone utils, and in another to define the appearance of the application. As you will see, packages are nothing but the organization of files in the appropriate directories. You can create packages by right-clicking and selecting New Package. Create two packages in the project. Name the first as domain and the second as logic, application logic. Then drag the classes to the appropriate packages. So smartphone goes to domain and smartphone utils go to logic. If you now look into the project directory on your hard drive, you will notice that the packages are simply directories. In both classes, IntelliJ generated additional lines of code at the very beginning of the file. In smartphone class we have package domain, and if we look into the smartphone utils we have package logic and also this statement import domain.smartphone. Package name tells about the location of a given class in the structure of the entire project. So in which package this particular class is located. The second line, import domain.smartphone, says that in our code we want to use the smartphone class, which however is defined in another package. Notation says that we first give the package name and the class name after the dot. If you have in smartphone class those public keywords, please remove them for now. You can now see some problems in the import line in smartphone utils, but also in smartphone test, which is exactly the same as we started before with the smartphone class. We have also the problem in the import line, but also when we are declaring a variable of type smartphone. And IntelliJ informs us that class smartphone cannot be accessed from outside package. We will handle those errors in upcoming lessons about access modifiers.